If you've been keeping up with the latest AI trends, you've probably heard about Chat100.ai, an incredibly powerful tool that just dropped. In this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Chat100.ai, whether you're new to AI or just looking for the next big thing. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end to see how it could totally transform your workflow. Before we get into it, if you're interested in trying Chat100.ai for yourself, there's a free trial available through the link in the description below. Now let's dive in. First off, Chat100.ai is all about simplicity and power in one package. Unlike other complex AI tools, this platform makes it ridiculously easy to set up and start using right out of the gate. Whether you're a seasoned pro or someone who's never interacted with AI, you'll be able to hit the ground running with minimal effort. This ease of use is one of the reasons why so many users are already calling it the best newly released AI software. One thing you'll notice immediately is how well Chat100.ai adapts to your needs. It's designed to cater to a wide variety of industries and workflows, whether you're into digital marketing, customer service, or even content creation. The customization features are robust enough to tweak the AI's responses, tone, and style to match exactly what you need, all while keeping the user experience streamlined and simple. Another huge win with Chat100.ai is its speed and accuracy. The AI generates responses in real time that are relevant and high quality, without the usual lag that comes with some other platforms. If you've worked with AI before, you know that response time and relevance are crucial. Chat100.ai excels in both areas, making it ideal for those fast-paced, high-demand environments. What really sets Chat100.ai apart from the competition, though, is its ability to integrate with other tools and platforms. Whether you're managing your marketing campaigns, handling customer queries, or producing content, Chat100.ai makes it easy to plug into your existing system. This integration capability can save you a ton of time and hassle, meaning you don't have to waste hours manually managing data across different platforms. Another key feature worth noting is the customization options in the interface. The design is intuitive but powerful. You can easily adjust workflows, set up automated responses, and tailor the entire user experience to match your specific needs. If you've ever tried other AI software that feels clunky or hard to navigate, you'll appreciate just how smooth Chat100.ai is. Now, let's talk about security. In today's digital world, data privacy is a big concern. Chat100.ai understands this, which is why it's built with top-tier security features to protect your information. From encrypted communications to regular software updates, they make sure your data stays secure while you're using the platform. And here's something that's super important: affordability. Many AI tools out there can be pretty expensive, especially when you're just starting out. But Chat100.ai offers a cost-effective pricing model that won't break the bank. Plus, with the free trial, you can test the waters before making any commitments. So who's this for? Chat100.ai is great for anyone looking to boost productivity, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger organization. If you've ever struggled with automating routine tasks or needed a tool that could help you scale your efforts quickly, Chat100.ai is definitely worth a try. In conclusion, Chat100. AI has quickly become one of the best newly released AI software solutions on the market. It offers ease of use, powerful features, fast performance, great customization options, and top-notch security, all at an affordable price. And don't forget, you can try it out for free by clicking the link below. If you're interested in exploring more AI tools that can enhance your business, check out the recommended software in the description. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say that these are the ones that stand out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.